Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about the Statue of Liberty. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Does the Statue of Liberty belong to Mexico? No. The Statue of Liberty belongs to the United States of America. Was the Statue of Liberty given to the United States by France in 2003? No, it was given to the United States by France in 1886. Was the statue designed by Frederick Auguste Bartholdi? Yes, the French sculptor Frederick Auguste Bartholdi designed the statue. Did Gustave Eiffel, the creator of the Eiffel Tower, participate in the construction of the Statue of Liberty? Yes, Gustave Eiffel designed the internal structure of the statue. Was the main purpose of the Statue of Liberty's torch to serve as a lighthouse? Yes, it was originally planned to function as a lighthouse, but it never worked. Do the broken chains at the statue's feet symbolize slavery? Yes, they represent the end of oppression and slavery. Is the Statue of Liberty located in Los Angeles? No, the Statue of Liberty is located in New York. Was the fundraising campaign for the pedestal led by Joseph Pulitzer? Yes. Journalist Joseph Pulitzer organized a campaign to raise funds for the pedestal. Was the Statue of Liberty built entirely in the United States? No, the statue was built in France and shipped in pieces to the United States. Has the Statue of Liberty been a symbol of welcome for immigrants arriving at Ellis Island? Yes. Millions of immigrants saw it as a symbol of hope when arriving in the United States. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.